Welcome back to the channel. Leave a like on the video. Me and Tim, otherwise known as the Clamp God, played a $100 Madden wager like 3 days ago. I cut it up from the stream and I'm gonna post it here. Make sure I watch this, bro. Leave a comment, drop a like. This was the craziest game I've ever played in Madden, especially adding the money to the equation. Oh my God, make sure y'all tune in. Let's get it, man. Have a great Saturday. Dang, bro, I'm nervous. I'm not trying to lose this hundo. Because then I'm going to have to explain. That's the thing, like, I don't mind losing 100, but it's like explaining it to my wife, like.
Let's get it, man. Honey, I gotta sit in my, you already know what time it is.
She's
But
calling
that
right
cheese,
now. Yo,
but that cheese, Millie. It's about to get gritty.
no. For pizza.
It's about to get gritty, and I'm muting my mic.
Oh, bro. I can't tell her until I lose. I'm the breadwinner anyway. Like, I don't need to tell her. Yes, I do. How about we just win, y'all? What happened, bro?
It's a bet.
Yep, that's a bet. Let's lock in. I gotta mute my mic. Tim, I'm gonna have you muted because I'm locking in right now, bro.
Alright.
Let's go, man. He's running. Let's go. All right, we'll take that. We'll take that. Third down. Let's go. Oh, I would have been picked. I was underneath it. I was underneath it. That would have been picked. Gosh, is he going to go for it? Look at Mike Evans, top of the screen. I'm going to fake blitz. And then try to get the underneath. No! No, bro! I knew he was going to Evans. Is Tim in the chat right now, bro? Is Tim in my YouTube chat? Because I don't think there's a delay on this thing. Oh, he's in the chat.
Now Herbert with it, looking to pass. And this is caught. First catch for Keith.
Oh my gosh.
Running on first down, Eckler. And he's got some space.
Let's go, baby.
Here's Herbert. He'll buy some time right. Now
No!
throw it back deep.
Yes! How did he drop it? How did he drop that, bro? Oh my gosh, bro.
In this first quarter.
Kill him with curl routes? I'm gonna look into that. We got a little screen for now.
On the screen, this is Eckler.
Oh man. Deep, bro.
Justin Herbert looking to pass.
Dang, low-key nothing was open. Jeez. I feel like I have to punt this, y'all. Nah, I'm at midfield. I'm at midfield. I don't feel like I can punt that. I feel like it's not really worth it. Dang it, bro.
They snap it to Herbert, escaping the pressure right.
Dang, bro.
And it's incomplete.
All right. We're good. There's still a lot of time left, you know what I'm saying?
On the first play of the drive.
He's going to definitely try to run the ball now. I definitely think.
From midfield, here's Brady.
Let's go! 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 Go!
By Khalil Mack.
Go, Khalil! Get off! Get off me! Let's go! Let's get some hype in the chat, man. Let's go. Let's go, baby!
This is a guy that's used to taking a few chances, used to fitting it into tight.
If you're just coming in, y'all, we got $100 on this game right now.
Off the play fake to Eckler, it's Herbert.
He's wide open, though. Oh, my gosh, bro.
Couldn't hook up.
Oh, my gosh. Herbert he's good, bro, but I just feel like he takes a long time to throw compared to other quarterbacks. We need this, though. Like, we really need this.
On fourth down, Herbert.
He's right. He's sitting on that freaking curl, though.
It's intercepted.
That's a touchdown, too, bro.
Tay Davis.
Somebody catch him. Nobody's going to catch him?
It's a foot.
Yo, that's wild.
It's a pick six. He brings it back to the
Oh yeah.
Buccaneer TD.
Bro, I'm tripping right now.
Your drive about to get going. And they're in a bind early here, down 14.
Man, oh, now the stadium's like shaking, bro.
You're worried. You're just trying not to transfer.
Like the whole my controller's shaking.
Maybe you get points on the board here
He's sitting on that screen. Good block.
They'll try and set up the screen. It's complete. And some room to maneuver.
Let's go. That's a solid run there.
Here's Herbert.
Got a one-on-one out there.
This is swung out to Eckler.
Dang, yo.
And he'll get nothing.
3rd and 10, y'all. 3rd and 10.
Made a nice play.
Herbert throwing again.
Yo, I had him open.
Pressure too much.
Dang, bro.
Sacks and they have points thus far.
It's not
This
looking good
defense,
now.
They're winning in all phases of the game right now.
He should have caught that, bro.
4th down, and my goodness.
He really should have caught that. Facts, Reaper. It's not looking good.
Large enough to pick up that first down.
Dang it, bro.
Ready defensively for that jumbo set. They fake the handoff. Now Brady.
No
They'll
way.
roll him out right.
There's no way he makes it. Dang.
Attempt. Succop's kick is good. And multiple scores less
Go,
than
go,
a
go,
minute
go.
left
Hikes the
here,
ball.
but with that deficit, they've got to try to at least work their way into field goal range to try to muster. 2nd and 5 now. Herbert. And his throw.
He didn't catch that?
Now it's Herbert.
Can somebody block him? Oh, my God.
Intercepted.
I swear Tim's on my stream right now.
And it's a pick six.
Appreciate you, Millie.
Brings it back to the house for a Buccaneer TD.
I swear he's on my stream right now.
The final shot before the break for Herbert. He's going to try and go deep again. It's caught.
He catches that one, bro? Are you kidding?
And he'll be taken
His time
down
expires.
How the fuck?
Time, 2 quarters down, 2 still remain. We
I'm not
step
even gonna
aside.
respond to him.
This is the NFL.
Any advice for someone who wants to start a basketball channel? I would personally start on TikTok and just get some recognition there. It's a little easier to get views initially on TikTok. Now I'm in full hurry up mode the rest of the game, yo.
There's gonna be any life left in
Like,
this team.
I can't even play a regular game.
That could be the exact spark to get them right back into this game.
The Charger drive
And we
about
gotta
to
just
get
take
going.
shots low key. Why can't he hang on to that? I don't understand that. I really don't understand that.
And that'll keep the drive alive. Out of the gun, Herbert. That's going to be caught. It's Palmer.
Those have been there the whole game, though. That's what's frustrating.
Herbert operating from the red zone. That's again complete to Palmer.
In this situation, the defense was effective, able to stop him before he could get a good head of steam going.
Eckler will take this
Gotta go for
into
2
the end
here.
Zone for them to build on. Now they know that they can actually score against
Oh
that
my
defense.
gosh.
And this is going to be
And I just have to, like, oh man. Onside it right here, bro. 2. I literally always do that too on mine when I play.
Well, the Chargers are pointing, and they've got
Let's go.
Well, I guess
Bro,
this
did
type
I
of
actually
play,
just
but
get
they
that?
try on 2nd down, Eckler.
Oh my gosh.
Back to throw here, Herbert. And this throw incomplete.
Oh my gosh, dude. Hang on to the ball. He fully caught the ball.
That won't get them out
And
of
he
it
just
if they
didn't.
don't change
A
something
wide
soon.
open.
They finds his target out.
Let's go, y'all.
And they
Let's
are
go.
able
It's
to
not
stop
over.
him.
It's not over.
He does take it all the way to the 2.
But do y'all see how bad this game is going? Like how fast things have changed?
Football game. They'll run here with
Like,
Swift.
come on, bro.
They'll try and run it here.
I wish I would have got that first 2-point, bro.
2 points.
It's 2. We're good. We're good.
The Bucs offense set to begin their next possession.
Come on, that safety got to
They find some open field
come up and
here.
make a play.
And he
Yeah, I got to switch it up. Make a play. Come on, line. There we go.
first down.
Decent
And
push.
he'll take
Oh my gosh.
up the gut, Fournette.
Jeez, bro.
Too much and stall themselves. Still want to move it. And
Rush
Let's go.
coming, and he's
from the edge.
Dang, bro.
Do you want to be an NFL quarterback? This offense so far on 3rd down, not good. 0 for 4
About
thus
to play
far.
him man
This
up,
is
straight
3rd
up.
and
Go get him. Go get him.
17. Out to his left.
Pick. Let's go.
And intercepted. Maybe the turning
That's why I
point
usered
they
that. Let's
need.
go. We need a quick score, though, y'all, because he's going to waste that time.
Has the ability to fit it anywhere he wants to. A lot of quarterbacks do that and often pay the price.
Can I get a block, like a decent block upfield?
Close to the 10. To throw again. Herbert. being chased out left. He's airing it out for Williams.
Oh man, that was a good user by Tim.
Over the top.
A shotgun snap for Herbert.
Oh, I have to go for it too. Dang it, bro. I'm challenging Tim. Let's go. That was huge, y'all. That was huge. The Chargers.
Again, Herbert.
Got it. Got him. Let's go. We got to hurry here because we only have 3 timeouts. We got 3 timeouts, and we're okay, but I got to hurry, bro.
Inside the red zone here. They'll look to throw.
Low key, just get out. In such a quick hole so early off BS. Get in. All right, we're good, y'all. Let's go. I feel like I have to because if he gets a first down, it's over anyway. He's running this, bro. All right, let's go. Let's go. I'm locked in. Let's go. Bring the safety up. That's really what it is. On the runs. Is he going to try to take my top off here? He might try to go deep. I'm going to try to bait him. Play action.
He lets this one fly toward the back of the end
No
zone.
way.
And that's going to be incomplete.
Let's go. Let's go.
Because your friend, old momentum, he's wondering if he should change sides.
Oh, who's guarding that? You got to get over
And
here.
if you don't convert here,
Oh,
guess what?
man.
He's gonna make the trek to the
He went
opposite
empty.
side, and all of a sudden, you got a
Pick!
battle.
Oh, my God. Why did he not catch the ball?
Is incomplete.
Give him credit for excellent.
Why did he not catch the ball, bro? Oh, my gosh. If I lose because that guy just batted the ball down?
Passing game.
They'll go for it. It's Brady.
Let's go.
And that is in.
He's bringing that safety up, bro.
The reason?
I still got to run it, though. I feel like I got to take what's there. And I'm not getting the ball back, so I can kind of take my time on this.
Also knowing that he has faith in his defense.
Guys, I'm taking a shot here. I'm taking a shot. If he brings the safety up, I'm going to hike the ball.
Off the play fake to Eckler.
He's there. He's there. Kidding me, dude? Game over like that.
Fakes the give to Fournette. Now Brady. Looking downfield for Godwin. And look at this. They get the
I did it. I got the
It's
user.
intercepted. Derwin James with a pick. And the Chargers are right back.
Telling the backups, get ready, you're going to get some playing time. And now guess what? Hope they didn't cut the tape off of their wrists and ankles. They've got to go back.
Rushing for him now.
Let's go, man. That's it. That's it, Flo. I mean, the outside run is there. I feel like I have to just, if I just run the ball,
Stick with Eckler. And he's able
I
to
feel like running the ball is the best decision, bro.
this spot likely out of the question.
Crap,
They've
bro.
gotta get closer
Try to
here
run
on
this
third
again.
down.
Screw it.
Herbert will give this one to Eckler.
Dang it, bro.
And he Herbert to throw.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, let's go, y'all. W's in chat real quick. Oh my gosh, bro, that was huge. That was huge. Clock management now.
Run out of the gun with Eckler. And he'll be taken.
I got to use the timeout there. I got to regroup myself. I got one left. Worst case scenario, I got to take care of the ball and at least get 3.
Throwing Herbert. On the screen.
How did they not block that, bro? Oh my god. Oh my god.
He takes it across.
Yo. Stay locked in. Stay locked in. Oh my gosh. W's right now. Spam the chat. Spam the chat, bro. Oh my gosh.
I'm hot.
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
hot.
I got him on mute, guys. I can't unmute him until the end of the game.
From this unit, and
I'm
Chargers
dropping back
pick
with
up a
Khalil, bro. I'm not
costly
gonna
mistake on
lie.
the last possession, an interception in a game
Let's go, y'all.
close right now.
Let's go. Oh my god. I'm backing up with Khalil, bro. I don't care. 3 men deep. We're playing back like.
Huge gambles to make up
Oh
that
my
momentum.
god. This is in the history books, guys. This is in the history books, guys.
And it's
Oh my gosh.
Their final drive comes
Good game, Clamp.
and with that, the ball game is over.
I'm so blown right now.
Bruh, I know.
I don't want to
You
touch the
have
sticks,
to-
bro.
Winner, although on that
You have
I'm
to be
so
just
blown,
so
bro.
sick right now.
and they couldn't
I'm
get
so mad right now. Oh my gosh.
Oh, bro, if you want to run it back,
This had to go down to the last play.
Just
and
let me
neither
know.
side was going to exhale until that play concluded because we've seen the improbable.
I feel so bad.
I'm so sick right now. That just blew, bro. That blew my whole mood, bro. I'm off the game, bro.
I love you, Clamp.